I do not like clutter, and so this is just overwhelming. Like my room right now is just overwhelming me. But it's okay, it's okay. We'll figure it out. We'll get it done.
I could see this through. I could wait another night. One more night, one more night. I could fight it through till the darkness turns to light. One more night, one more night. Say it's gonna be okay, 'cause this winter is so long, feels like it's haunting me. Say there's gonna be a change, 'cause I feel like I'm just holding on to yesterday. But if I wait till the summer, oh, if I wait till the summer, oh, but if I wait till the summer, oh, I know we will be better, I can leave the truth, shut the blinds I could deny. One more night, one more night. I want a bliss to fool everyone that it's alright. One more night, one more night. Say it's gonna be okay, 'cause this winter is so long, feels like it's haunting me.
Okay, so I brought over this gray Dormify storage bin from my dorm, and I just have some books up here at the top with my essential oil diffuser. This picture of me when I was really little playing a game on a computer, but it looks like I'm working because I'm in my dad's office. I just think it's so cute, so I keep it here. I have my camera. I thought this would be a good place to just set it when I'm not using it. In this first drawer, I just have paper, thank you notes, stapler, stickers, batteries, just office tools. Here I think I'm just going to keep all the papers and memory things that I love to have with me. Some of the stuff is school things and cards and whatnot, just where I want to keep it but I don't have a place for it. And then this bottom drawer is tech, so I have chargers, and then in this shoebox is all my extra camera equipment. And then over here I have my super colorful drawer, which makes me so happy. I have notebooks, things to jot down notes, my business cards, and then this container with my blue light glasses, all my writing things, sticky notes, washi tape, tape measure, pencil sharpener, X-Acto knife, never know when you need that, and then cleaners for my glasses. So that's what I have so far. It still has a lot of room in case I need to put things like my what is even this called, external hard drive, that kind of thing. But for now I like how clean it is. Well, it's not clean because I've had this desk for years and I used it all the time, so it's not very clean, but it's organized. So yay. So next is creating a jewelry drawer. Jewelry drawer out of this top drawer. I have this lining I used in some of my drawers in the dorm. It's just like a nice non-slip thing I got at Target. It just ran out though, and I gotta trim this part, and then I'm gonna lay it down and then organize this mess of jewelry and sunglasses. So that's what we're doing next. Guys, I'm going through my old jewelry box when I was, I don't know, 10 and younger, and I found the clip-on earrings. I remember these. I thought, man, I was like Ariana 7 rings material when I wore these clip-ons. And then I had my Barbie like Pegasus ones or whatever. I don't have a matching one, but man, yes, these, oh, I thought I was gonna get married in these. Okay, cute. They're very easy to wear. I love not having to put them on. Ta-da! I got most of my necklaces untangled. So over here we have bracelets. We have, you know, clip ones, watches, gold bangles, silver bangles. We have my earrings. I know I have the other 2 matching ones to these. I just have to find them from my move. And then we have necklaces. And then sunglasses and sunglass cases. Can you tell I like gold jewelry? Yes or no? I'm pretty proud with it actually, and it was really easy to do. You just got to get this like mat, this drawer mat from Target or organizing store, and there you go. You got yourself a jewelry drawer. We're trying to get like what is it? Princess Diaries level. That's what I'm going for.